Awesome, welcome to another fun Amazon FBA video. We're going to go on another adventure today. We're going to dive deep into a product that I stumbled across while doing product research for myself, and I haven't actually looked too deep at it yet because what I want to do is relate this to you and make this helpful for you, because as a beginner on Amazon FBA, you either haven't found a product yet, or you've found some products and don't know which one the right one is to sell, or you have a product that you're pretty sure is good to sell, but you don't have the confidence yet to actually take that leap of faith and invest in yourself and invest in that product. So that's why I'm going to do this process completely transparently with you, so that you can take what I'm doing to this product and do it to your own product and see if you want to sell that or not, and if you're confident in selling that or not. Because the key here with Amazon FBA is that you need to have confidence in the process, because this process works if you do the right steps in order, and you need to have confidence, one, that's true, that the process does work, and you need to have confidence in your product and joy in your product. Otherwise, you're not going to be motivated to actually work on it. So with those things said, make sure you do like this video. Hit that like button below this video. Also hit subscribe, because we bring you the best Amazon FBA content on YouTube, and I'm going to keep these rolling, keep you confident, keep you excited to actually invest in yourself and become free, quit your job or keep working your job and have this passive income on the side, have the time to travel, have the time to spend with family, be able to retire on one of these products. You just need to put in the work, and this product will then work for you. So with that being said, let's go and jump in on this journey together. So the product that I found is called a barbecue, and I like to type in the first word of that product first, because I like to see what else actually pops up. Because remember, when you're sourcing a product, you want high demand, lower competition. As long as, if you're a really good marketer, don't worry about lower competition, just go against the big dogs and make a lot of money in a very high demand product. But if you're a beginner, go lower competition, and then very easy to source. So small and cheap are basically the two things there. So I always like to type in a word here, always be on the lookout for products. So I'm going to see if there's anything else that I want to sell here. And funny enough, the barbecue apron, which is the one I'm looking for, doesn't come up. So it's a little bit lower demand than all those products, which could be perfect as a beginner product. So we're over here on the barbecue apron product, and you can pull this up by on your own in a new tab as you watch this and analyze this with me. So you can either use AMZ Scout or Jungle Scout. Both of them work really well. For this video, we're going to stick with Jungle Scout. I'll link both I'll link both links up in the description for you to grab these yourself. If you want a free alternative, you can use Unicorn Smasher, it's called. You can Google that one. And sorting by revenue is step one. So go ahead and sort your item by revenue. You want to see some market depth here. You want to see, cool, you have an apron doing $30,000 a month. You have an apron doing $15,000 a month. So those two are doing really well, over $10,000 a month. And then you have a few lower earning aprons, but I would guess that this niche is probably about 30% profitable. So meaning each of these items do about 30% profit on their revenue, because this here is revenue per month and not profit per month. So you can see something like this one right here, $5,400. They're doing just under $2,000 of profit a month. You can see they're brand new. They've only got 11 reviews. They only have a 5 listing quality score, yet they sell 12 of these aprons a day. So they're doing well. And if we actually click on this, we're doing what we call targeting the slowest gazelle. Now, this really, really helps you on your Amazon journey, because it takes rid of that overwhelm from seeing lots of items out there with high customer reviews. If you want to come in here and see, I'm using Keepa, Keepa, to see how well they're selling. You can see they're crossed into the best top 10,000 They've crossed into the top 10,000 products in their category, and then they bumped up a little bit. Either they ran out of stock, or they seemed to put their price up a little bit, which made them jump up, way up, and almost stop their sales. And then they've jumped back down now, got some momentum behind them, and they're making $40,000 to $50,000 a month. And now they're back into 33,000 bestseller rank. So they're really leveraging that momentum. And you can see they're doing $5,400, 12 sales a day of this apron. And what this slowest gazelle is you don't have to be, and this is really, really important if you're a beginner, the best selling product in your niche. Don't be overwhelmed by the fact that, oh, I'll never be able to get 2,000 reviews. That's really high. You got to realize that you don't need 2,000 reviews. You don't need to have been selling for 5 years here. You can see they only average 13 sales a day now. And this product down here averages 12 sales a day with 11 reviews. You can jump in here, find something with a low listing quality score, and preferably a low rating. You can see some of these that have a 4.5 rating. And you want to know that they have a high enough price point that you can compete with. And you can basically come and make your product slightly better than this. And this is actually a really good example of someone who's done well, because how do you make your product better than all the other aprons in the market? One, you add an intangible value. So they've added a joke on their apron, which means this doesn't increase the cost to source this product, but it does increase, if someone sees that joke and they like it, they need to get this apron because there's nowhere else they can get that joke on an apron. Hot stuff coming through. It's a classic dad joke, and don't mean the food. Obviously, a dad's coming through with a plate of cooked steak or something through the kitchen. And it's a fun apron to wear. They've also done what's called bundling. So they've added value to this product by bundling a bottle opener, microfiber towel, and I don't know what that is. It looks just like a box. I guess that's the box that it comes in. Gift box maybe. Yeah, gift box with to and from. So if you're giving this as a gift, that's very smart. Good photos. So you can see they've got great photos in here, and great title. They could improve this for sure. But they've been selling for only 2 months. They've got 11 customer reviews at a 5-star rating, and you can see they're already making money. They're already making $1,500 to $2,000 a month that they can then put back into this product and keep scaling this until this becomes one of the best-selling aprons. And what we have to do here is we have to figure out, cool, is this a niche that I want to jump into? And the way to do that is just realize, what is your budget? How much money do you have to spend? Because this is a niche that could be very profitable for someone, and I think long-term very profitable for this person who's put up a really good, oh, I'm not scrolling, but my mouse is moving, who's put up a really good product in here. And if they keep going and they keep scaling, they keep reinvesting, they're going to slowly move up the ranks as their Amazon web. And if you want to know more about the Amazon web, check out the free training in the description. As that expands, they're going to get more and more organic reach on Amazon, and they're going to grow this listing over time. So the key here is to figure out how profitable you're going to be from day one. So to do that, we're going to pop over to Alibaba. And this is the catalog of Chinese suppliers where you can source anything you want. Basically, I don't know what you can't source on Alibaba that is legal in the US or whatever country you're from. If you know something, comment it below. I'd be curious to read. But you can get anything in bulk here, mostly made from China or cheaper labor country, because that's where you get the really cheap prices like these sunglasses for 83 cents. Not going to happen if you're sourcing within the US. So we're going to type in barbecue apron, and for some reason apron disappeared. But have a look at this. You want to make sure that you're always on the lookout for products, and barbecue mats just came up. Oh, did they disappear? Was that a sponsored thing? But you could, hey, they are barbecue mats. You want to go back to Amazon, and we can do this quickly together. Type in barbecue mats. My mouth is not working today. Barbecue mats. And you come over to Jungle Scout again and just see how they're doing. So don't get stuck to your one product idea. Make sure you're always looking to innovate and always looking to see, wow, look how much these are doing. 140,000, 193,000. You can see this is a very, very high demand product. So it's obviously got more competition. But by using the slowest gazelle method, we could go, cool, who's really under optimized? A 4 listing quality score. And a 71 reviews is very, very new. 4.5 average. They're doing 36 sales a day at $15 for a little mat that goes under your barbecue. Now, you could come in here and beat this. All you have to do is have a better listing quality score, a better offer. You can bundle this. You can have much better photos than this. Terrible looking photos. And you can see they've been selling for almost 2 years, and they do really, really well. Now, this product is obviously a little bit seasonal, so you want to keep that in mind. November through to March, you pop up, but you're still under 10,000 bestseller rank, which is incredible. And then in the summer in the USA, obviously they pop down And that's where they do their $15,000 month. So that could be and it looks to be a better product than the one we're looking at right now. But we want to come back and see how much we can source our barbecue aprons for. And we want to have a look. So you can see these are the trendier sort of ones. Custom logo. So here's a custom logo one, which you could print your joke or whatever you want to put on there. You can see you can get that for about $2.50 to $3. So we're going to say $2.75. Plus shipping is going to be about $3.50 to source. You come back and you see you're selling it for $25. You got to pay Amazon fees, which are $25, and I know these in my head, but check out the Amazon fee calculator. You can Google that, put your own data in there, or actually AMZ Scout have a good calculator for you as well, where you can put in all your information and figure out how much money they're making. On $25, you're going to be paying about an $8 fee, plus $3.50 to get it there. It's about $11.50 in fees, which means they're probably making about $13, $14 per item that they sell, which is actually very incredible because that's 50% profit margin. So a great profit margin product, which I'm actually surprised how cheaply you can get that in for. And because they do have a cool bundle, because they have added value over here, they've added intangible value in a joke, and the item looks really good. I'd keep my eye on this and watch them scale this business over the next year or two into one of the best-selling aprons for barbecue. And personally, the thing you want to take away from this is, I know that I personally could make this product a six-figure business over the next 12 months. And it's probably not right for me because I want to go into something that's more high demand. But for a beginner, this could be a really, really powerful product. And what happens is when you're looking for a product idea, it's not going to hit you and be like, this is perfect. Sometimes it does. I've had a couple that do that. But this could be the perfect product for you to go and start your journey with and learn the ropes on Amazon FBA and turn $3,000 into $10,000 and then be like, okay, I know how to do this. I've got my marketing down. I want to go into a bigger field. So don't overthink your niche. Make sure you'd enjoy it. Make sure you have pride in your product. Make sure it's better than the competitors, and then just go for it, because there's no such thing as a perfect niche. There is such a thing, but it's not going to hit you right away, and it's not good for your first product, because if there was a perfect niche, you're going to have all these seasoned marketers jumping in. So you want to take a little slice of the pie first and then start to expand your range. So do these steps for yourself. See if your product's going to be profitable, and see if you can have that confidence before you invest your time and your money into your products like we did here today. If you want more training on this and see how we scaled a product from $0 to $10,000 a month fully transparently, check out the free training in the description. Otherwise, give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.